Okay, so you can see market momentum is a bearish and continue pushing downside and market creating lower lows into downside. So what happened here? This is our new higher low. Which one is here? Okay, so this is our new lower high and this is our inducement. Which one is here? Because this is our pullback, right? And below this, little bit above it, you can see this is our inducement is here. So basically these are two inducement. After that, what happened here? Market create lower lows, confirm the structure. Okay, and the what is a possible scenario is here? Market pushing downside and market in a first attempt, what happened in market just with the liquidity, and the next attempt, what happened here? Market close below it. So this is an indication that market actually break the structure and market push downside. So when we can consider our lower low, market must be taken out the first inducement, right? So this low is our inducement. Why? Because market taken out this high and this high act like an inducement because you can see this is our pullback like this, right? And market taken out this high, so this low is a confirm here. So what we can expect here? Our trading range between this high to this low. So when we can sell after taking out the inducement, first area of interest is here because this is our supply zone when we can take a risk, when we can, sorry, when we can take entry for the sell, right? And the next possible scenario is here on the extreme, which one is here, right? So this one and first one is here and second one is here. Okay, and this high is our act like a engineer liquidity or act like a extreme liquidity, you can say whatever you call, but this is our extreme liquidity point. And after taking out this high, mitigate this order block, then we can sell, right? If market break this low and close below it, so what is the possible scenario here? Market must be close below it. So when market close below it, this called the break off structure. If not close below it, so this can be like a liquidity sweep, right? This one. So when market close below it, so this can be your like break of structure. So right now market did not break this one, just with the liquidity. So this one is our taken out the liquidity. And in this case, market just with the liquidity, we generally we can see some buying momentum to the upside. And after taking out this high, why? Because this is our smart money trap, because there is no inducement. So very highly chances lot of people are trying to sell on this order block. And then what happened here? Market tap here and then push downside and go higher. After taking out this order block, we can sell and market possibly close below it, and then this break of the structure will be confirmed, right? And this is our supply zone. Why? Because you can see here this candles be taken out the previous candle high, which one is here, right? It means this area become our supply zone. Okay, and the next candles did not fill this supply zone. If market fill this gap like this, right? So this is not a valid area for the sell because this will be mitigated. But right now this is unmitigated. So we can consider as a supply because below it, this is an inducement and this is a supply and we can sell. And you can also mark this one, but this is a not high probability compared to the first one because this high taken out the previous candle high. It means this is our high probability, right? Okay. And so this is our possible scenario in a GBP USD in a 1-day time frame. Now let's switch back into the 15-minute. Then we can see more clearly. Okay, let's check into the weekly. Price trading below this low, which is also indication that market taking out the liquidity right here. This is also indication for the reversal because market taking out the major low, right? Okay. So possibly we can see some pullback to the upside, deeper pullback to the upside. So first of all, you have to mark the correct structure in a 15-minute to identify where is our chalk or boss, right? So in this scenario, this is our lower low and lower high. And then what happened here? Market peak, the structure is here because market momentum is a bearish, right? And then what happened? Market push downside, continue, and this become our new lower low, right? And this become our new lower high. Okay. Yes, we don't need a higher time frame like a daily, weekly, but for the daily perspective, I'm just looking for the daily time frame for the upcoming week possible scenario. Okay, so we are day trader, so we need only two time frames for the 15-minute as a higher time frame and 1 minute for the entry. Okay, so this is our inducement. This one, this high, our inducement. Which one is here? And after taking out the inducement, this structure is a confirm here. And this is our new break of structure, right? So after this break of structure, where is our inducement and when we can mark as a first internal high? This one, right? So this is our inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, our lower low will be confirmed is here, right? And now we have a range between this high to this low, right? So if market actually looking for the reversal to the upside, so price must be break this high and close our win. So this will be our change of character. If price unable to break this high, so we can see some more move, like more downside move, because this is our unmitigated order flow. If you mark this one, this is our last buying move before this drop. So generally, this is our buying move before the drop. And if you mark here, so this is our unmitigated. So between this order flow, where is our order block when we can mark? So generally, this is our order block when we can take risk for the seller. Okay, so this is our order block. Why? If you mark this one, you can see this order block taking out the liquidity. Which one is here? Which is a strong indication, right? Which has already taken out the liquidity and pushed downside, proper imbalance, everything. Market momentum is a bearish. This is our inducement, right? Engineering liquidity also as well as. In this case, engineering liquidity and inducement both are same. Why you mark the order flow from that low master? From the low in the right side, which you have chosen. Which one? Okay. You mean this one? So this is already mitigated, this order block. Okay. Like order flow. Yes, this is our order flow, but actual momentum is here. Okay. Look at this. This is our last buying move. Okay. And this move happening between this move. right? So this is our called like a minor order flow, you can say, between the major order flow. So generally we have this major order flow, and this is our minor order flow. Sometime what happened, this move something like this, and we can see like sometime this type of order flow, right? So every order flow is a mitigated, right? And this order flow is unmitigated. So generally we have this is a large order flow, and this is our refinement order flow. And you can understand like this: larger order flow, and then identify lower order flow, like medium order flow, you can say also. And the between the medium order flow or smaller order flow, you can identify the order flow, sorry, order block. Okay, three things you have to understand, you need to know to mark the order block. First, major order flow, and second, minor order flow, and third, your order block. Because this is a series to identify the you can say, to refine the order block. Okay, and I will make another separate video about the order flow, okay, which will help you a lot. And order flow is a very important. And first, structure mapping, and then identify the liquidity, and then after that identify the POI when we can take a risk for the buy and sell. Okay, so before the marking your POI, you have to understand your order flow. Where is our order flow unmitigated? If your order flow is unmitigated, then very highly chances your price will be tapped on your order flow. Order block is not necessary. Order flow is important because market follow the order flow. Okay, we use order block as a refinement purpose only. Okay, so in this case, this is our complete order flow, which is unmitigated. So in this order flow, only this order block is unmitigated, which is already taken out the liquidity. So in future market tap here, then we can see some downside move. Okay, but in the higher time frame, market sweep the liquidity. Which one is here? No, this is not anything. This is a simple single leg. If even this candle is looks bullish, so this can be is also net bullish. Like you can say, for example, here, if this candle is a bullish, so this is not a bearish order block, because market did not taken out the previous high, and the extreme order block is also available here. Okay, so in this case, this act like our SMT, you can say, smart money trap, and we can see some like reaction on this point, and then market go again higher, tap on the extreme, and here we can see some sell reaction to the downside till this level at least. Okay, so this is our possible scenario in a GBP USD, right? And now let's switch back into the Euro USD. So start from daily time frame. Same scenario happening here in a Euro USD also. Market creating lower lows is here, taken out the inducement, which one is here. Okay, and this is our inducement. After taking out the inducement, what happened here? Market create lower high, which one is here. Break of structure into downside, and after break the structure, price must be taken out the inducement. So everyone mark here structure. I will not mark. Everyone mark a measure high or low, and then inducement. You can use annotate tool. Let me enable it for you. Okay, now you can mark. First mark measure high or low, and then mark the inducement. Okay. Okay. Correct. So in this case, this is our lower low. Which one is here? Okay. And this is our lower low. Why? Because this is our inducement is here. And this one is our lower high. Why? Because market break the structure is here and closed below it. Right. So after that, what happened here? Market create another inducement. Which one is here? And after taking out this inducement, our lower low is confirmed to the downside. Right. So right now we have a range between this high to this low is here. Right. So in this case, you have to first you have to mark your order flow. So this is our last buying move before the drop. Which one is here? Which is unmitigated. And then what happened here? This is an inducement. After taking out the inducement, we can sell to fill this order flow. And between this order flow, we can see we have a two order flow. Which one? First one on the extreme and second one is here into downside. Let me mark this one. So this is our order flow, sorry, order block. And the extreme one is here, but this order block is not much higher, much high probability compared to the first one, because this order block taken out the liquidity, previous candle high. Which one is here? Right. And in this case, market did not taken out this previous candle high. So it means this is our like a poor, you can say a very bigger order block compared to the first one. And market already tap here, market gave reaction. And what is the possible scenario is here? This candle, previous candle high is here, and this candle low is here. Right. So between this high or low, this is our FVG. You can say market must refill this imbalance before the price downside, and also tap on this like single candle order block, and then we can see continue downside move till this low. Right. So this will be our target point. And this markup already share in our Discord that this candle high must be taken out before the sell. So same thing happen here. Market taken out this high, and now we can sell into lower time frame. If you switch back into the 15-minute, then we can understand more better. Okay. So right now, you can see this is our daily time frame imbalance. But before this imbalance, if you mark the structure in a 15-minute, then you can see what happening here right now. So this is our lower low. Which one is here? Right. Why? Because market taken out the inducement is here. Right. So after taking out the inducement, lower low is a confirm. And where is our lower high? Is here. On the top of the structure is here. Because this is our highest point after break the major low. Which one is here? Technically here. And this is our change of character. Lower low confirm because market taken out the inducement. Now what is a possible scenario is here? We can see this is our previous daily candle high, and this is an imbalance in a daily time frame. Right. But I'm not expecting, but I'm not saying that you have to check every time daily time frame, order block, order flow. Okay, you have to mark your, as you have to take action as per your uh, 15-minute structure. So 15-minute structure is here, and this is our lower low is here. And then what happened here? This is an equal low, right? So what is a probability? In this case, market must be taken out this equal low, and in this case, what will be next move is here. Okay, so this low transfer here to here, and this is our lower low, and where is our inducement is here, right? So after taking out the inducement, what happened here? We can see sell, and when we can sell, if you notice into left side, this order block mitigated by this move, and every order block is mitigated here, right? Every order block, single order block is mitigated here, and below this, this is not a proper order block because this is smart mini trap. So where is our unmitigated order block? You can see in the left side, this is our unmitigated order block, and price must be tap this one before the sell. And one more reason is here, this was a previous candles high, and like you can say in a daily time frames induce, sorry, FVG value, right? So generally market tap here, and after tap this PY, we can sell and target at least this low, which one is here, right? So you can switch into 1 minute structure at this point. In this case, when market tap on a PY, you can apply anti-tap, multiple anti, like when price tap here, you can apply anti-tap 1 because price already mitigate your PY zone, right? So whereas our change of character is here. And in this case, you don't need to wait for the actual structure, okay? You can simply follow the normal structure. Market break the first recent high or low, which is called change of character in a 1 minute, but price must be tapped on the PY zone in a higher time frame. So this is our change of character. After this change of character, you can sell here after taking out the inducement, and this is our PY, and this is our unmitigated order flow. If you mark here, right, this is our order flow. And before this order flow, if you mark the, if you want take a single candle mitigation based entry, so here we can see there is a lot of opportunity. First entry is here, second entry is here, third taken out this high, and then sell. So there are 2-3 entry possible in a 1 minute in a single candle mitigation based entry. Okay, so these 2-3 types entry are possible in a 1 minute in a Euro USD. Okay, and right now if you mark the structure mapping here, so this is our first internal structure is here like this, and again break the structure here. This is our downside move, and this our new lower low, and taking out this inducement. After taking out the inducement, this lower low confirm. So now we have a range between this high to this low. In this case, where is our order flow? Where is our unmitigated order block order flow? So before the marking order block, you have to check your order flow. If you mark the order flow from bottom, this one is order flow, which is already mitigated here, and this one is already mitigated by this move, right? And this is already mitigated, and everything is mitigated here, and this one is here, which is unmitigated. Why? Because market take a pullback is here, you can see, okay, like this. So this is our unmitigated order flow, and tap here. So in this case, this is our unmitigated order flow. Between this order flow, where is our order block? This is our last buying move before the drop, which is actual here, right? And you can mark this one as this, okay? So right now press tap on this one, and we can see some drop into downside is here, and this will be your entry, sorry, target. And now we can sell after break this minor structure, chalk, inducement, and sell, right? This is our inducement because this is our pullback. Okay. In this case, okay, right now you can see both candles are same, means both candles low are same. So we can mark as a pullback this one. Okay, here, right? So this can be your valid pullback if both candles low are same and looks are similar, right? So this will be your inducement is here. Only that's new knowledge. Okay. Actually, in this case, when both low are similar, so you can use a recent candles high. Okay, because both low are equal, so you can check a first one. Okay, all right. So this is our Euro USD possible scenario and GBP USD. Now let's switch back into the another pair in a gold. After that, Bitcoin. Then I will do some quick back testing for you, and after that, I will start some quick question answer and then finish the webinar. So first of all, now let's switch back into the gold. Delete. First of all, look at the higher time frame story. Now we can see what happening here. If you mark the correct structure in a weekly time frame, so this is our higher high, and market taken out the inducement, I think here, right? And after taking out the inducement, what is the possible scenario? Market again take the structure is here. Market break the structure, taking out this pullback and go higher, and again push downside and again go higher. So right now, this is our breakoff structure. And in this case, where is our inducement is here. So price must be taken out this inducement to confirm the major high, which one is here, right? So this is our internal range between this high or low. This is our internal range in a weekly time frame. Higher low is here and higher high is here. So price must be taken out this inducement. And after taking this inducement, we can see some buying momentum on this level. And the next on the extreme one, which one is here. And this is already partially mitigated. But in this case, we have a two possible scenario. If you mark the entire order block, which is already mitigated, and this is a partially mitigated here. And if price came back here, or maybe sweep this liquidity, and then we can also buy here until broken this low. If market broke this low, major low, and close below it, then we can uh, say that market momentum change. But right now, momentum is a bullish, and price tapping on your liquidity point, you can say, because there is a supply and demand type of liquidity, you can say, and a lot of people are introduced here for buy here and here. All right, everyone putting the stop loss just below it. So most of the time, what happened? Market collect all stop loss and then market go higher, right? So this is a possible scenario in a weekly chart. Now let's switch back into the 15-minute to see what is a possible scenario. So in a 15-minute structure, momentum is completely bearish. Break the low is here, and this is I'm sorry. Okay, this one. Structure is here. Break the low. Taken out the inducement is here. And this one. Here, right? So because why I did here, actual structure was here like this, right? This one, because market taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, this lower low is a confirm. But in the next attempt, market, let me check first. I think market did not close below it. Proper close below it. So this is our break of structure. Okay. And this one is our new break of structure. Which one is here? And in this case, market just sweep the liquidity. There is a no chop. Okay. So when market sweep the measure high or low, those big act like a POI. Push downside again, break the structure and create new lower low at this point. Which one is here? And this is our inducement. Okay. And after taking out the inducement, our low is lower, sorry, lower low is a confirm here. So our range between this high to this low. Okay. And we can sell here on this order flow. This is our last buying move before this drop, right? And possibly tap this one, right? So possibly tap on this order block and then we can see our downside move. Okay. And this is also trend line liquidity is here, breakout and flag. And a lot of people will be introduced here for breakout and then again flag breakout and then flag convert bullish to bearish. This order flow is already mitigated. This order flow is not mitigated. If you mark here, I think. Let me check first. Not mitigated. Okay. There is a minor gap here. So we have a chance. Okay. So now let's switch back into the Bitcoin chart. After that, Bitcoin story are similar. Okay. Market trying to go higher. If market break this low, which one is here? Like this. So I think this one is also pullback, push downside and give any pullback here. So this will be an inducement, but still this is our single leg right here. So we have a no chance here for the buy or sell anything, but I'm still waiting to taken out this high, then we can strong sell into downside. This is not a pullback. Actually, if you look this candlestick high or low, which is a bearish candle is here and here. So market trading between this high or low. So this these doesn't matter. If any candle taken out the previous candle high, which like this, so we can mark as a pullback. Yes, obviously we can use as a SMT. Okay. So right now there is a no chance for the buy or sell in a weekly time frame. Okay, and this is also like a flag pattern, bearish, sorry, channel pattern, bearish type pattern, breakout, and people are looking here for buy. But this Y is not much high probability. Okay, so let's see. So this is a possible scenario, but overall market momentum looking a bearish in a Bitcoin right now in a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so finally, uh, forecast is over, and now let's do some quick back testing for the next 20-30 minutes. Okay, then after that I will start some quick question answer. So today, which pair you would like to backtest? Okay, UGU. Okay, okay, Euro USD, KV dollar, EU Bank Nifty. Okay, okay. So USD chief, KV dollar, Nikki. Okay. Okay, so every week I will do one like one thing for everyone. That every week we will do a different pair. That last week we have done Aussie dollar. So this week I will do a different pair on your request, and after that we will do every week we will do a different pair. Okay. 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 So let's say switch into GU. Okay. Okay, good. So GU is the final for the today backtesting, and the in the next webinar I will do a different pair every time. INR USD. Okay. Let's say backtest any move is here. Which part you should backtest? I'm just looking for good I'm sorry, what happening? That's first we will do see like first buy then sell. Let's see what will be happen in a 1 minute structure and how we can trade like both side in a lower time frame, what characteristic will be in a 1 minute structure. Okay, if the random number generate so 9 means 9 September. Actually, the more previous data is not like a trading view allowed in a lower time frame. That's why we can't take a random number. Okay, so let's see here. First of all, this is our bearish structure, as you know, and market break the structure. And after break the structure, what happened here? This is our change of character. At this point, right. And after break this low, what is a possible scenario? Market actually, this is our news, uh, fundamentally news impact. And after that, what happened? Market push downside, and we usually take a entry when market taken out the inducement. Then we are introduced for the sell, right? So let's see where is our inducement in this zone. Okay, push downside. If you mark here, let me draw here this one, then you can understand more better. This is our pullback, because this candle taken out the previous candle high. Okay, if market push downside, right, so this will be our new pullback, because market momentum is a bearish like this, right? So let's see market break to the downside, and then actually we can take this one, but below this market actually taken out this low. So we take generally we take a first internal high, right? So market take this high, and this is our first internal high. So we will take this is our as an inducement, and this is also market taken out the inducement, which is correct. Okay. So generally market taken out the inducement and tap on this order block. Okay. But this area of interest is a more valid, I means more interested for the sell, because this candle taken out the previous candle high, which one is here, right? So if price type here, we can switch into 1 minute and then we can sell, right? Is here. Okay, market break this low, which one is here, and there is a no inducement still. Let's see. I'm sorry. Okay, so in this case, whereas our inducement is here, and after this inducement, when we can take for the entry for the buy and sell. So first of all, you have to mark your order flow, which one is here, right? So between this order flow, when we can take entry, when we can mark as a PY, everyone mark a valid PY in this case. Okay. Okay. So in this case, first, if you mark the actual PY, so between this candle, this is a minor imbalance, right? And this is our new order block, but this order block is not taken out the liquidity, okay, but taken out the inducement. So if price tap on both place first between this imbalance, right, and give any reaction into lower time frame, then we can sell. And another entry zone is here, right? But we are not taking as per this order block. We are taking as per the inducement, because market taken out the inducement, and if price mitigate this order flow, entire order flow, right? We have a just a like additional confirmation, you can say, uh, for here, but these are not important for me. Main thing is our order flow, which is here, right? So we are taking as per the order flow, because market taken out the inducement is here. If market did not take an inducement and this is a simply move, so we are not take entry on the first order flow. Without inducement, order flow is not work. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, right. So generally, what happened here? Market tap on our order flow, right? And when market tap on the order flow here, then we can switch into 1 minute. And in this case, if you mark the actual PY, so when we can take this one right here. This is our refinement PY. Why? Because the previous candle high taken out by this move. Okay, so that's why this big act like a strong PY between this order flow, which is unmitigated order flow, right? So price already tap on our order flow in a 15 minute. So now let's see what happened here. Okay, there is no tap here. If you back into the 1 minute to see exactly what happened here, then we can understand more clearly here. Okay, this is a liquidity sweep. Another liquidity sweep. Okay, so price did not tap here. If price tap here, then we can take entry. Right, now let's switch back into the again 15-minute structure. Okay, so what happened here? If you can see, the previous low is here. Once market taken out the previous candles high or low, measure high or low, those big act like a PY, which one is here, right? So this is our PY is here. Okay, so this is our PY, and we can buy or sell in this case here, because we can see some like a pullback to the upside, right? So if you switch back into the 1 minute structure to see exactly what happened here. Okay, so in this case, market taken out the liquidity is here, right? And after that, what happened here? This is our first high, which must be break this one. After break this high, we can mark as a change of character, and then we can take entry after the inducement or sweep the liquidity. So let's see. Okay, which is great. Okay, there is no entry still because there is no pullback. Okay, so this is our pullback is here, right? And this is our inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, then we can buy. Reason is a simple, because market already break the structure. Change of character is here. Once market taken out the inducement, then we can buy. Okay, so let's see what happen here next. Okay, now our inducement transfer here to here. Okay, so in this case, when where are you looking here for buy, everyone? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. Look at this one. You can see market just sweep the liquidity, which is an indication that market actually looking for the upside, and this is called anti type 3, which one is here, right? So generally when market taken out the inducement, this pullback is also okay, valid, is here, correct. Okay, so this is our taken out the inducement, and then what happened here? Market pushed downside. After taking out the inducement, probably we are looking here for buy, right? So generally we are looking for the pullback on the order block, which one is here, right? And we can take entry here for the buy. First entry is here, and the next possible entry on the extreme, which one is here. And if you start marking the order flow, right? So in a 1 minute order flow is here. This is our last selling move before the stop, which is unmitigated, right? So price in a future, if tap here on this order flow, then we can buy into refinement. After refinement, which will be here, this order block is here. Okay, so we can buy or sell, I mean buy here. So first entry possible here on this, put the stop loss just below it and for the safer side. Okay, and target, at least target this high, because this is equal high, right? And the measure target as per the M15, uh, which was here. And if market failed this like entry, then we can buy on this order block, right? Any possible entry here for buy. Let's see what happened next here. Okay, okay, so market hit the stop loss in this case, and this is our first entry, right? And the next possible entry, where when we can take next possible entry here for buy after break the structure after this one. Okay, and this is our minor structure. Let's see. Okay, so finally market break this structure, which one is here, right? here. And after break this minor structure is here, when we can buy. Correct. There is no inducement still here. So we should wait for the confirmation for the buy, right? At least taken out the previous low or create new structure. Let's see. And this is our minor structure. Why? Because market taken out the inducement, right? So once market taken out the inducement and then give any like any in any reversal indication, which is called change of character. And let's switch here. Okay. So in this case, this is our actual inducement is here. Minor inducement is here. So we can take entry here for the buy. And this is a very a little bit, I mean, very lower structure. Okay. Yeah. So what happened here? Market did not taken out the inducement, but in this case, what is the possible scenario is here? If market break this high, which one is here? If market break this high, okay, and then when we can buy or sell on this candle, because this candle taken out the liquidity, right? Okay, so market already filled this one, and this is another structure, and this order block is filled here, and we can take on the next entry on this order block, right? Because below it, there all order block is mitigated, and this candle taken out the liquidity, which is an indication market taken out the liquidity, and market is possible to go higher, right? So we can open new entry here for the buy, and target will be same, which I mark here. I don't know what happening with my internet. A little bit slow. Oh shit. There is no entry. Okay. Okay. So another scenario is here. Market just sweep the liquidity. So after sweep the liquidity, you have to wait for the more confirmation for the buy or sell, right? And let's see. There is no still entry for the buy or sell, because when market sweep the previous high or low, market give a reaction to the downside, and this is our first inducement is here, and this one is our order flow, right? So between this order flow, when we can buy here, we can buy on this order block. Yeah, let me check this one. Okay, and this one is our order flow right here, and this order flow is already mitigated by this move, which one is here. Okay, this candle sweep the liquidity, and this is our single candle order block is here. Put the stop loss just below it and go higher. Let's see. Okay. This is minor correction. Okay. So in this case, there is no still save the liquidity. Otherwise, we can stack more position on this level, on this order block. Okay. And if you buy here, because there is no inducement here, but measure order flow, tap here, and measure inducement, tapping here. But in this case, what a possible scenario here? Market can be pushed downside, taken out this low, and then go higher. So we can buy on this candlestick here for the next entry, or maybe another type of entry possible here. If market go higher, create this inducement, and then market tap here and go higher. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, sorry. So what happened here? This low act like a inducement, minor inducement, right? So we can buy on this order block, which one is here. Now we can buy here and put the stop loss just below it for the safer side, and target will be same here. And now let's see. Okay, going well. Okay, market again market again taken out the inducement, which one is here. And after taking out the inducement, what is a possible scenario here? Again, we can buy. When we can buy? First is the order flow, which one is here. Yes, yeah, this can be also possible. Your eyes are very sharp. Okay, so after taking out the inducement, we can buy, but you have to check your order flow is here and here, right? So both order flow are unmitigated. First one is here, and this one is here. And actually, we can take entire order flow is also technically, but this is between this large order flow. We are taking the minor order flow, and this one, what happened? Market tap the major order flow, and then market go higher, and this one market break the major structure also here, right? And this one is absolutely correct, and you can buy here at this point, but put the stop loss just below it for the safer side. Okay, now let's see. Market create equal high, sweep the liquidity just, and then go higher. What happening with my internet? I don't know. My internet is very slow. Okay, so what happened here? When market break the first high, which one is here, then we can switch our stop loss on a break even, and this is a like liquidity sweep, right? So in this case, this is a liquidity sweep, which is an indication market can push downside. In this case, market must be taken out the inducement like here, and then we can go buy, right? So we can't sell here actually, because this is our bullish trend, and when market sweep the major high, okay, in a bullish trend, so market gave a pullback to the downside, okay, but you have to check higher time frame. This is a not higher time frame. This is a 1 minute already, okay. So if same thing happen here in a 15 minute, so we can switch into 1 minute as per the you can follow the lower time frame structure, then we can buy here, sorry, sell here. But this is already in a 1 minute, so we can't take here entry for the sell. Okay, let's see. Switch back into the 15-minute structure again. Okay, now let's do it this one. After sweep the major high, which is a after taking out this liquidity, which one is here, that's called engineering liquidity, because above it there is no high, right? So after taking out the engineering liquidity, we can sell here and market just sweep the liquidity, right? And this high candles big act like a POI, right? Why? Because above this there is no internal high. Okay. Actually, we can use those big, but not are relevant, because main thing is taken out the high or low. Okay, so those area is not much like valid if price tap there, so which is also fine. But main thing is here after taking out the extreme liquidity. Okay, and you can uh, take entry into lower time frame if sweep the liquidity, and this is our entry type 3, right? So first entry generally we can take once pressed sweep the major liquidity, so we can sell here directly and put the target is here. So this is our first entry as per the plan. Okay, but you can switch into 1 minute structure for the more like entries is here. Let me check this one. Okay, so this one is a liquidity sweep, and after liquidity sweep, when we can take entry for the buy and sell. Yeah. So in this case, where is our change of character? Which one is here? Right. Because this is our minor pullback is here like this. So after break this low, which one is here? When we can take entry for the buy or sell, right? So first, okay, okay, okay. Yes. Actually, in this case, what happened here? Market sweep the measure high liquidity, and once market taken out the measure high liquidity, you have to wait for the inducement in a lower time frame before the sell, right? As per our plan, right? So if you mark the order flow, so this is our order flow, which is already mitigated here. But if you mark the actual inducement in this case, after break the structure is here. Where is our inducement? Is here, right? So price must be taken out this high, so then we can sell. But price didn't break this high and create new structure. So we can wait here for the confirmation for the another entry, because as per our plan there is no entry, right? First entry is a possible, which is here, as I told you, in a 15-minute see the liquidity, which is an indication at like entry type 3. Now let's see. Okay. All right. So break this low. I'm sorry. After break this low, where is our inducement? Everyone mark, where is our inducement? First mark the inducement. After that, I will decide when we can take entry. Okay, correct. The first internal high is our inducement. Which one is here? At this point. So price must be sweep the liquidity or tap your order flow. Which one is here? So between this order flow, where is our like a order block when we can take entry for the sell, right? So let's see. Okay. So now where is our order flow? Sorry, order inducement is here. Correct. And in this case, we can take first entry is here, right? And the second entry, where is our second entry? You have to mark your order flow. This order flow indicated by this move. And this order flow is here, which is unmitigated here. And this is also unmitigated. So we can take first, take a risk here for the sell is here, right? Because market break this low is here. And this is our inducement, right? Let's see. Okay, tap on it. And the second order flow is here, right? So in this order flow, when RP can take entry in this order block, the last buying candle before the sell is here, but this candle is already mitigated. I think mitigated. Let me check first. There is minor imbalance is here still. Okay. The next entry open here and put the stop loss just above it. Okay, let's see. Okay. And this is our first low is here. And now let's switch back into the 15-minute. Then we can see more clear picture again. Okay, now price continue dropping into downside, right? So let's see. Okay. And this is our first high, which one is here, and this is our internal like structure. If market taken out this internal high, we can add more position for the sell. And one more thing you need to understand, that we can't add multiple position in a following the 1 minute after the 15-minute PY type, because structure change. And after taken out the first or second entry, you have to switch into higher time frame little bit to see higher time frame story what happening. Okay, so you don't need to stay in a 1 minute always. Okay, there is no entry. Okay, I'm sorry, this one is our new entry is here. Let me zoom this one here. What happening with my internet today? So this is our first internal high, and you can see if you mark the structure like this, right? So this is our internal structure, but market did not break the previous high. So in this case, what happened here? Market price taken out the previous high, then we can sell there, right? Why? Because market momentum is a bearish. When market momentum is a bearish and market taken out the previous high, then we can sell. If market is a bullish and continue going higher and then market taken out the previous low, then we can buy. Okay, so and in this case, after taking out the inducement, when we can mark as a PY. So first thing, we have to mark the first PY and second PY on the top of the structure. This is our PY first. uh, no, this is a not chalk. Chalk will be happen when market break the major high or low. And if market tap on your PY zone, then will be your also chalk after break the first recent structure. And in this case, we can mark this big actor like a PY also, because this wick are taken out the previous candle high, right here. Okay, and taken out this high, which one is here? So after taking out this high, what is possible? This is our this area become our PY. Okay, and all right, and this is our inducement. Now let's see what happened next. Very close to the PY, but it's okay. So generally market taken out the inducement, which one is here? After taking out the inducement, when we can buy or sell, we can sell on this PY, right? If price type here, and then we can switch into the 1 minute. Exactly. Now switch back into the 1 minute. And let's see what happening here. And this is our PY, right? And in this case, where is our change of character and when we can take entry for the buy or sell in this case? Exactly. Because market taken out the previous high, right? In a 15 minute. Okay. So this is our 15 minute taken out the high and sweep the liquidity, which is an indication that market actually looking for the pullback, because market momentum is a bearish in a higher time frame, right? I'm talking about the middle time frame, middle structure. So market momentum is a bearish, but when market is a bearish and market taken out the previous recent high, that's indication market give you strong reaction to the downside. Okay, so same thing happen here. Market taken out this one, and when market sweep the major high or low, then market must be break the structure, or you can say change of character. Then we can take entry for the buy or sell. If you mark the change of character, where is our change of character? is here, not there. Exactly. So this is our change of character is here. And after this change of character, what is a possible scenario? You have to wait for the inducement. So where is our inducement? Let me this one mark now. Okay. Now everyone mark. Where is our inducement? And okay, that's correct. And where is our POI when we can take entry for the sell or buy? Sorry, sell because market bears. Absolutely correct. Why not the below order block? Because we can, I can see here are two order block between this one. SMT order flow. Perfect. And this order block is here. This is SMT, SMT. And this one is a extreme, which is high probability. And one more thing is the reason market taken out the inducement, right? If market taken out the inducement and just with the liquidity, right? So we can sell here also. You don't need to tap on this order flow, right? Sorry. Okay. So after change of character, this is our inducement, which one is here. And after this inducement, when we can take entry on the extreme one, which is here. And this order block taken out the previous candle high, which is a strong indication for the sell right here. Okay. So this is an indication, and these both order block is not taken out the previous candle high. That's why this is another reason to become a smart money trap. What are you saying? I don't know. Why sell? Why sell? Because 15-minute, if you look into 15-minute structure again, look here, 15-minute, the previous high sweep, and this wick act like a supply, right? That's why. And this is a change of character after sweep this liquidity. This is a change of character, and this one is our inducement. After taking out the inducement, we can sell on this order block because this order block taken out the liquidity, and those two order block did not taken out the any liquidity. That's why I choose this one, and this is our high probability order block, which one is here, and we can sell here, right? And put the stop loss just of it, and this is our high probability. Okay, I mean, why we can't sell next sweep? I did not understand. Okay, so this is our entry is here, and the first high is our, this one is our first target is here, and the final target is 15-minute low, which one is here. Okay, and let's see. You mean why we can't sell here on the next candle? We can sell here, I think, in a 15-minute. Let's see. We can sell here also. Yeah, but this is a very larger stop loss. Market sweep the liquidity and we can sell on the next candle open, but this is a very larger stop loss. That's why I did not sell here. Okay. And in this case, why I sold here? Because this is our very like a smaller stop loss 7 pip. And this is a very larger. If you are looking, if you are interested for sell, we can sell here also. This is also high probability entry for the sell because sweep the liquidity. And this is also possible entry for the sell. Right. Okay, now again back into the 1 minute. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry, what happening? So price tap on the extreme one, right? And after this, what has a possible scenario is here. Right, okay. Okay, this is our extreme order block. And when we can take entry for the buy or sell, in this case, this is our entire leg, right? And whereas our actual chalk is here, but we can take entry as per our single candle mitigation, because your PY tap on your order flow, I mean, sorry, order block, which one is here, right? So when price tap here, and we can start selling the single candle mitigation, which is previous candle sweep and then sell. So we can't sell here because actual low candle is here. After broke this low, we can start selling, and we can't take any entry here between this measure, I mean, candles high or low, between this high or low, right? Let's see. Okay. So yeah, actually, this is become our new inducement. No, this is not inducement. Actual inducement, yeah. So in this case, we can sell here, but you have to wait for the taken out the inducement. And in this case, there is no inducement available here. So we can sell after fill this order block, because this is in like SMT, because below it there is no inducement. If there is any like a inducement available here like this, then we can sell. This become our high probability entry, right? So as I mentioned in ebook, that what kind of order block actually work, main thing, taken out the inducement or sweep the order block. This one is a not like a inducement. This is a normal structure, because this black candle did not break the previous candle high, and the third candle is not also break the previous candle. So let's see. Okay, so this is a failed, and let's see on the next candle. If there is any opportunity for the sell, then I will. Okay, so in this case, we can sell here on the next candle open here, and put the stop loss just above it. Okay, for the safer side, you can take this one also, right? Because this is our single candle mitigation is here, right? This one. Okay, so we can sell here, put the stop loss just above it, and target will be same here, right? Now let's see. Okay, fill this order. Sorry. Yes. So now pushing downside, and we can't take another entry is here, because there is no inducement, and this order block is not sweep the liquidity. If this order block sweep the taken out the previous candle low, so we can take another entry for the sell, but there is no inducement right here. Let's see. Okay, finally measure structure is also broken. No inducement still. Okay, I don't know what happening suddenly. So market push upside, there is no inducement. So when we can take entry, in this case, we can take entry after like this, fail this order block. Same thing happen here, like this one, and this one. After taking out this order block, we can sell here, put the stop loss just above it. And why we are selling here, right? Because in this entire leg there is no inducement. That's why inducement is a more important. If there is no inducement, then you have to wait for the fail the order flow, sorry, order block. Okay, because this order block act like a inducement to induce SMC trader for the sell. Okay. Sorry. And this is like a entry tab 3 when market sweep the previous high or low. And one more entry is possible is here on this order block. On this single candle order block is here. Why we are taking single candle order block is here because market tap the our PY, which one is here, fail this like a PY, fail this order block because there is a no inducement. So this big act like a PY, right? So we can take entry here for the sell. Let's see. And this is also like possible entry here for sell because this previous candle taken out the liquidity. So we can simply sell multiple position is here. Okay. This one hit the stop loss. Okay. Okay. Sorry, what happening? Okay. So this is our final target and we can add one more position here. Which one is here? After taking out this high, we can add more position because this is area. Same thing happen here and same thing happen here. Once market taken out the previous candle high, we can add multiple position here for the sell. Right. Okay. All right. So this is a quick yeah, exactly. This is a quick back testing and okay. So we can you can apply same thing in your like when you do back testing, and you don't need to switch multiple time frames, and you have to first in a starting you have to mark your PY, right, in a higher time frame, and then cut the bar play and then start playing in a 1 minute. Okay, in a starting. Okay, once you able to take mark the POI and take the entry in a 1 minute, then you can randomly the back test on any pair everywhere, right? First in a starting, do some easy task one by one. Okay, so now we should start some quick question answer. After that, I will finish this session. So let me unmute yourself. Okay, now you can unmute yourself and you can ask me now.
Hi, and
Yeah.
I watched the structure, and you explain and different what I learned from other people, but
Mm-hmm.
this one makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
So, and a bit confused. I mean, when you how could you know when to change the direction of the market?
Okay. Okay. So
Because you said
mm,
is the fast choke is the when it's taken high and low. So sometimes the market is choppy and it's not clear. So how could I know exactly? How could we know exactly? Because structure is the most important for this course.
Okay. Actually, change of character only happen on two zone. First, when market tap on PY, right, and market break the first internal high or low, that's called chalk. And second, a type of chalk when market momentum is a bearish or bullish. Okay, and when market break actual high or low, that's called chalk. But price must be close the candle closer. For example, here. Let me show you through ranks first. For example, market is a bullish, right? Let's mark this one. Okay, so this is our bullish market and this is our structure here. Okay, because generally we mark as a high or low once market taken out the inducement, right? So this is our inducement and this is our break off structure is here. I'm sorry. This is our break off structure is here. So this is not our like a change of character is here, right? This can be your change of character if price tap on any PY in a higher time frame. Okay, so this can be your change of character. And second type of change of character, if price did not tap on your PY, but price break this low, which is actual low is here. And in this case, price must be close below it. So this called a change of character. Okay.
Okay, that's clear for me. Next question is,
Yeah.
when you mark when you mark in the liquidity or higher low, you use only this leg. For example, you use only this leg or this leg. So if the market is making structure this side, you don't mark this then as any liquidity or an engineering liquidity or anything. You only use this leg. When is, for example, where the market is bullish, and this leg when is the market is bearish. So that's the way.
Yeah. Okay. So in this case, there is no need to mark the engineering liquidity in this side. Actually, your engineering liquidity inducement will be on the left side is here because market momentum is a bullish, right? When market tap on your PY zone, for example, here, generally you can buy after taking out the inducement like this.
So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what happened in this leg. Only you.
Yeah.
In this case, you look only this side or this
Exactly.
side. So when the market is bullish, and the other side when the market is bearish.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I give chance for the other students.
Okay. You're welcome. So if there is any other question, if anybody wants ask me, you can ask it. Then after that, I will finish this session.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
This is Mubarak from Nigeria.
What
I want to ask is that how can I be doing this practice by myself?
Can you repeat again, please?
How can I be doing this practice by myself on trading field? Can you hear me, sir?
Actually, I did not get your point. What are you saying exactly? Can you type?
What I'm saying is that if I want, hello. What I'm saying is that if I want to backtest by myself, so how can I apply for it? Is that what I'm saying?
In a backtesting.
Yes, on TradingView.
Okay. So first you must have a pro account in a TradingView, right? If you don't have, you can take a trial of the TradingView simply. And for free version is not allowed, TradingView not allowed in a lower time frame. So simply you can take a pro version, and then you can take mark your like you can back test like this, as I told you, that mark the higher time frame POIs, and then try to mark in a 1 minute through bar play to identify the entry in a 1 minute where is possible entries for the buy and sell, right?
Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, most welcome. Can we use a higher time frame fair value group as a POI? Then we use a smaller time frame tree. Actually, higher time frame POI we can use also, but most of the time, sometime what happen more POI not happy. But first thing, mark the structure, okay, and higher time frame. You mean like daily or weekly or 4 hour, which is a okay, okay, 4 hour. So for 4 hour and daily, so sometime market did not tap your fill the your POI. Yeah, so generally you can focus on the 15-minute structure and taken out the inducement, then buy or sell, right? And follow the order flow. And one more thing I wanna say here that I'm doing some back testing, some good stuff on good stuff for you, like daily candles, based on the daily candles, higher low and sessions, which you use generally Asian session, London, New York, and that how we can trade uh, in a session. Okay, and I'm working on it, and it's take a little bit time. Okay, and once uh, I finalize that how thing actually working, and I trade myself, and after back testing, then I will share with you, and I will make another all content from starting. Okay, and I will update all content, market structure mapping, PY mapping, and some things will be added, new things will be added, and some things will be minus. Okay, and this will take a little bit time, not weeks and days, but it's take a month, and possibly this end of the year I will release this content for everyone. And I think November to December, till December, and before the before the New Year, you can say before the Christmas, I will upload the all stuff, and I will update ebook, I will update diagram, everything I will update. Okay, because the previous diagrams and content ebook must need to improve a little bit. Okay, so lot of new high quality things are coming in our community. Okay, and one more thing, if anybody thinking that there is uh, you have to pay any additional cost, no, you don't need to pay any additional cost for it, and this will be absolutely free for you. And but for the new members who will be sign up after that, so price definitely will be increased for those, but you don't need to pay any additional cost for it. And I'm working for it for you, and in upcoming few weeks and months, you can see lot of high quality content will be released in our uh, website or in a Discord. Okay, so you have no idea that what
That's a good news, really. It's good news.
yeah. So a lot of new things are coming, but a lot of people are doing wrong thing with our Discord, and they are stealing our content and sharing with someone. And some people, I have noticed that few peoples are like stealing our content and sharing on a Telegram and reselling our content and brand. Okay, which is a very bad thing. And I'm finding those person, and I will kick from group. because I don't wanna stay like these members in our community. And actually, my main motive, my main intention to provide you high quality education, which is actually working logical and practical for you. And still everything, you can see everything is a logical, everything is a practical, and you can apply in everywhere, any market. And it take little bit time to understand thing, but definitely this will improve your trading skill. And this is not a simple boss job. Okay, every boss and every job and every pullback, every higher low is a reasonable. Without reason is a not any higher low. Everything is a logical. And when you know that why this is a high or low is a valid, and why this order block is a valid or not, then automatically you gain a confidence in your trading. Your stop loss it, but it's okay. Why? Because you know, because I follow my plan, but hit my stop loss, but it's okay. When you feel this type of thing, then this will be a great thing. Okay, because people get like trap psychological. Most of the people are trap psychological. They have a good technical knowledge, but they don't have a psychological mindset is not clear. So this will help you a lot, and a lot of new valuable things will be coming continue in our community. First, who joined recently, like a few days ago, a few weeks ago. So I will suggest you watch every content, and main thing is do practice and follow the our community, that how other members are doing and how you can improve. And a lot of new things will be continue. You have no idea that what you will be uh, gaining here. So I will do continue my hard work for you, but I wanna to see you a good trader. But let's see how many members are doing hard work. If you like 50% members will be success, which is a very good for me, because I wanna see success for everyone. My main intention is not to selling like video and course or anything. If I sell course and I can sell in a very cheap price for everyone, take it and read and study it and yourself. But my main intention to provide actual real education, which is actually you needed in this forex market. Nobody everybody likes hide the contents, and everybody don't wanna tell you exact thing how things actually working, right? And one more thing, and who are the old member, who are the like senior member. So in our community, I'm alone person in this community. So I can't manage all things. So you can manage for the new members who wanna ask that this is my chart and this is a correct or not. Okay, so please cooperate to each other. And if anybody like ask, sir, this is an inducement or correct or not, this is an entry valid or not, so you can reply them. Okay, don't like depend on me that Khan will be answer you. So if I'm free, then I will definitely give you answer, but when you are available, then you can also, because we are community, we are family members, right? So I'm working for you. If I have a good time, then I will make a good things for you. Okay, so yeah, exactly. A few members are doing really good job in our community. Okay, so you can cooperate to each other members to learn. All right, guys. So I think there are a lot of time. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for the Thank you so much for the attend this webinar, and I will upload on YouTube. If someone missed this session, you can watch shortly. I will upload on YouTube. Then I will link shortly on Discord. You can watch later, right? And okay. Okay, most welcome everyone, and see you in the tomorrow, right?